Assalamu alaikum. Today we will show you how to make PDF or DWF from AutoCAD. First of all, you have to go to print option, or you can press Ctrl P. Then you have to select the printer type. This printer type we will go for DWF to ePlot PC3 to make DWF, or DWF to PDF PC3. If you want to make PDF, we should select PDF. If we want DWF, we should select DWF. Then we have to just check the settings for the printer if there is any option for the paper size. It depends on the printer software. Then you have to select page size. From here I will go for A2 because it's the standard size we use here for uploading drawings. Then you have to go to the preferences. In window you have to select the window, the part of the drawing you want to make PDF. Then just preview. Now you can see it's colored. I don't want it colored. I can make it monochrome in the settings, so I'll go for monochrome here. I click yes. You can check this line weight and the other settings. Preview. That's good. Now you will just save it. You can name A1, A2 because I have to export many sheets, so I will go for A1, A2, A3 in a series of sheets. Okay, now I'll go for the next sheet. In next sheet you have to just select the previous settings. You don't need to make select sheets and all again. So we'll go for Ctrl P. You can press Ctrl P or print option, previous layout. Okay, then you can see the settings, it's same. We'll just select the window for the new sheet and preview. Now you can see this cloud area, this clouding I make for the modification, this missing. So I will select this layer and I will change the color of the line. I will make it black, or you can make it red or anything, because we will export it into monochrome. It will come automatically monochrome colors. Previous plot window. Okay, preview. Now you can see everything is good. Just print it out and save A2. Like this I will export all the sheets. This is the simple way to make PDF or DWF. It's same for PDF and DWF. Now I'll do for all other sheets, and thank you so much.